Good morning, good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Grok Trade, your Q's analysis class here tonight on Thursday, December 6th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program. So now, as usual, let's take a look at the Q's daily chart and let's analyze it here to make sure what's happening at this moment. Look at this. We've been going down with another lower high and another lower low yesterday, and the low was at 64.55, and look where we're at here today. Today, we made a new low, which is at 64.53, and also we made a new lower high, okay, which means that we are continuing down. And now today, we are finishing the day in the green, but at resistance, significant area of resistance. We're testing those areas right here really hard because it's not only the 8 moving average, which you see here in green, but also the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue. So those are really important for you to pay close attention to. And then also we are finishing the day again above the 65.10. So this 65.10 mark is as important as those two moving averages up here. Okay, which are acting as a pretty nice ceiling at this moment. So we are hitting it here and we are pulling back down, closing the day slightly below them. So tomorrow, what you have to do is watch those moving averages really closely, as well as the 65.10 mark, and also the low of today, which was at 64.53. Because if we do ever break back through the 64.53 to the downside, we could head lower to that 63.50 mark that you see down here. Okay, but also make sure you keep your eye on those moving averages because these are areas of resistance. Okay, because if we do ever go higher, first of all, we'll have to break through those, and then we'll have another major area of resistance on our way up here to break at the 50-day moving average, which you see here in dark red. Okay, so those areas that I shared with you here are very important. And now, let's move down and let's take a look at the volume. The volume is still pretty nice. It's slightly above the average. So watch the volume bars right together with the chart. Okay, if we do see a pretty nice decent volume on a down candlestick on a down day, then we'll be more sure that we're continuing to the downside. But if we do see a tiny little one, right, just like the one here on an up day, then we'll be again more sure that we are continuing lower, not higher. Okay, hope it makes sense. And then the next one is the MACD. The MACD is traveling south, getting closer and closer to the zero line. So watch the MACD as well together with the chart and with the volume to look for confirmation. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to share with you tonight. Hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. So have a wonderful day tomorrow. Safe trading, and I will be back in class again tomorrow.